Assalamualaikum. A lot of you guys have asked me how to do astrophotography with the Galaxy M51 and A71's Pro mode. In today's episode, we are going to show you guys how you can take astrophotographs with your Galaxy's Pro mode. Okay, let us go to the Pro mode now. Firstly, you will have to keep your phone steady on a tripod or some place where you can take good amount of low exposure shots. Then go to the Pro mode. And here we have many settings, but first of all we'll have to set our focus. Don't set your focus fully to the landscape mode. Keep the focus 3 tags behind the landscape mode as shown in this video. Now we are going to check the shutter option. Don't forget to set the shutter speed at 10 seconds. In flagship devices, you have the luxury of setting the shutter to 30, but in mid-range devices it's not there. Okay, don't set your ISO at 3200 because mobile cameras aren't supposed to take pictures at that high of an ISO. So we'll set our ISOs in between 400 and 800. Let us take a picture with 400 ISO now. It will take 10 seconds to capture one picture because you have set the shutter at 10 seconds. It will take all the light for 10 seconds. Okay, let us see the picture now. Here you can clearly see that there are a lot of stars in this photo. Yes, there are many noises, but you can reduce it by tweaking some settings in Snapseed or Lightroom app. I live in a very light polluted area, but even so, this photo is already good enough. Okay, we'll now take pictures with some higher ISOs now to show you the effects the high ISO can have. First, we're going to take the 800 ISO and then we'll tweak our settings to 3200 ISO. Here you can clearly see that the pictures I have taken with 3200 ISO. In this photo, you can see that the stars are really overexposed and there are a lot of noises for which you can clearly spot those stars here. And this one was taken with 800 ISO and you can see almost every stars visible to the naked eye even more. Okay, I have already mentioned this, but let me make it clear to you guys once more that when taking astrophotographs, do not tweak the ISO above 800. ISO level of 400 to 800 is good enough. If you tweak the settings more than that, the camera will capture lot of noises and it will ruin your photographs. So the ISO level is in between 400 and 800 and the shutter speed will be 10 seconds. Keep the phone steady in a place with a tripod and you will get awesome astrophotographs. And also make sure that you are not in a light polluted area like me. Do consider subscribing this channel because I will be making a lot of videos on Galaxy M51, Galaxy A71 and other mid-range Galaxy devices. So if you want to learn more, then consider subscribing our channel. Your subscription is my inspiration. Thank you all for watching. May we meet again in the next episode. Inshallah. Peace out.